In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a new calendar in Google Calendar, whether you're organizing work projects, family events, or a personal habit tracker. Having separate calendars can keep everything clear and easy to manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a brand new calendar with its own name, description, and time zone. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want this new calendar to live. If you use multiple Google accounts, it can help to quickly check your profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one before you start creating anything. Once your Google Calendar loads, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where your primary calendar and any other calendars you already have are listed. Just below that or near it, you'll also see a section called Other Calendars. This area is for calendars you've subscribed to or shared calendars you don't own. Now focus on that Other Calendars section. Next to it, there's a small plus icon. This is the key to adding something new. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. A small menu will appear with several options related to adding or browsing calendars. From that menu, select the option that says Create New Calendar. This will open a new settings page dedicated to setting up your calendar. You're not creating any events yet, you're just defining the calendar itself. Here, you'll start by typing a name for your new calendar. Choose something specific and meaningful, like team meetings, family plans, or fitness schedule. A clear name makes it easier to quickly spot the right calendar later, especially if you end up with several. Below the name field, you'll see a place to type a description. This is optional, but it's useful if you're sharing the calendar with others or if you want to remind yourself what this calendar is for. You could add details like who should use it, what kinds of events belong there, or any simple guidelines. Next, select the time zone for this calendar. This is important because it controls how event times are displayed. Usually, you'll want this to match your own local time zone, but if you're creating a calendar for a team in another region, you might set it to their time zone instead. Take a moment to confirm it's correct, since changing time zones later can shift event times. When you're happy with the name, description, and time zone, look for the button that says Create Calendar and click it. Google Calendar will save your new calendar and you'll see a confirmation message. After that, your new calendar will appear in the list on the left, ready for you to start adding events, customizing colors, and sharing with others if needed.